Orbs, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe faster! Faster! Today's vlog, I'm speaking in English because I'm gonna do a 24 hours speaking English challenge.
Broken English?
Broken English challenge with, come on, Steffi Jardin!
Hello! I'm not yet done already. Wait. Yeah, you broken
you
English.
faster. You faster that
Wait,
one.
you wait because we're... Wait.
So guys, eto, wait. Mamaya na tayo magsimula sa ating, parang pure English.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just practicing. This is just, what do you call this?
Warm up.
Warm up, yeah. It's just like exercise.
Yes.
Pero guys, yun na nga. Nakwento ko sa inyo dun sa previous video ko, yung room tour challenge. Medyo na-chika ko dun na mag-move out na kami anytime soon. So that would be tomorrow. By the way, today is January 13, 2020, mga sizsts. At kailangan na namin mag-move out by tomorrow. So, naghahanda na kami. We're preparing everything. We're preparing to move out. At naisipan ko, yes, ngayon na nga mag-vlog. So, ganito yung kwento ng aking moving out story. Okay, so ganito yung istorya. Nung December kasi, I don't know, very impulsive kasi si sis nyo. Yeah, so nakwento ko na sa inyo na very impulsive ako sa lahat ng bagay. Naisipan ko last year kasi parang na-realize ko most of the time I was alone here and I spent 16,000 pesos dito sa apartment ko to. Sobrang laki niya actually, 2-bedroom siya, sobrang luwag. Kung nakita niyo naman yung kwarto ko lang, yung room tour ko maluwag na siya. Tapos malaki pa talaga siya sa labas, may terrace pa, may laundry area. Tapos malaki yung kusina, spacious yung living room. Pero ako lang isa. Electricity lang yung gamit na lahat, bawal gas stove. So, since mahilig ako magluto, lagi akong nagluluto, maabot yung bill ko, kasama na yung water, ng parang 4,000. Oo, ganun. So, 20,000 yung gastos ko. Eh, kailangan natin magtipid mga sis. So, ayun, sinabi ko sa landlady ko na I might move out by January kung pwedeng hindi ko tapusin yung kontrata ko. Okay naman sa kanila, they agreed. After Christmas or before matapos yung December, parang na-realize ko na parang, sayang naman yung sayang tong apartment kong to kasi sobrang luwag nga niya, accessible sa lahat talaga guys, sobrang accessible sa lahat ng basta, nakatira kasi ako sa so malapit sa LRT, maraming jeep, malapit sa galaan, alam mo na, di ba? Mga gano'n. Tapos parang hindi na ako makakita siguro ng ganitong location at ganitong kagandang apartment. So, kinausap ko, just to cut the story short, kinausap ko nga yung landlady tsaka landlord ko na kung pwede mag-extend na lang ako hanggang matapos yung contract ko. Eh ngayon, nakahanap na pala sila ng papalit sa akin. Hindi ko naman sila masisi, diba? Kasi hindi ko sila masisi kasi parang baka maapektuhan din yung source of income nila, diba? Kasi negosyo nila to. So, yun, hindi na ako nakipagtalo. Since sinabi nila na may papalit na sa akin at nakapag-down payment na din, naka-decide na lang din ako na, okay, sige, I will move out. Guys, ito talaga, isa to sa mga pinagsisihan kong desisyon. Pero, I know na may better plans yung Panginoon. Totoo yun. Anyway, lipat ako sa may tandang Sora QC. Medyo malapit na siya sa Novaliches. Pero, very accessible din naman siya sa Commonwealth, UP Town Center. So, okay na din sa akin. Tapos, ang laki ng difference niya. From 16,000 dito, 12,000 na lang yun doon. Tapos, pwede pa akong gumamit ng gasto. Di ba? Yes, tas 2 bedrooms pa. Di ba? Tapos, ito ba? Bagong-bago ang apartment. Di ba? Okay, so now, yan, nakwento ko na sa inyo. Ito ay magiging moving out vlog. And sa aming paghahanda, mag-i-English kami all throughout this vlog, starting at this very moment. Come on! Come here, Steffi Jardin, okay?
Yes.
So, we will be speaking in English until we finish moving out. I mean, for 24 hours. So, guys...
Broken English, okay?
So, actually, guys, today is January 13. 7:19 PM.
No time.
So, bukas mag-end January 14, 7:19 PM.
It's very hard.
Yeah, it's very hard, but we will try our very best to speak smooth English.
Yeah, the smoother the
The
better.
better, okay, guys? Actually, we just arrived from Maginhawa. Oh, that's
Yeah.
a street name, so we can speak in Tagalog.
Yeah.
We can speak in
It's
Filipino.
so hard to is English.
Yeah. No, it's okay, it's okay. So, yeah, right now, we will be preparing. Steffi will be going out for a while.
Yeah, for just getting a walk.
Getting a walk. And my sister and I will be preparing. Actually, this is Aya Eman, by the way. He is our visitor. He's
There you
staying
go,
with
there
us
you
for
go.
like 2 days or 3 days and 2 nights. So yeah.
Thank you, Mai, for
You're welcome to
Accommodation.
housing.
because I will be leaving this place. So there you go, guys.
Your friends are coming here, Dai.
Hmm?
Your friends are coming here also because
Oh,
you know,
yeah, my EB
celebration.
friends are actually coming over because they will be missing this place as well. So after you go out, you must help us.
Yes, I will help here.
Yeah. Okay. So there you go, guys. I'm just doing the intro now, and we will continue the vlogging later on.
Yeah, just a little bit of later on.
So right now, guys, I am removing all my clothes from my closet down to that luggage over there. I might be selling one of my items in the future.
Wow.
Steffi, what can you say?
I can say what you said.
I can say what you said. Okay, so Aya, why aren't you helping us?
No, you didn't. Well,
What?
tell me what I need to do.
Oh my god, you need to help us. Can you please wash the dishes? Joke. Okay, so right now we're
Packing the tape.
packing the tape. We're starting to pack. Do you love packing? Do you love packing, girl?
Yeah.
How much do you love
You're a pack girl.
Are you a pack girl? I'm a pack girl.
Yes, you're a pack girl.
Okay, so we're busy packing now because we're moving out tomorrow. And there's Aya just drinking Heineken.
And they're packing visitor.
And you're our packing videographer, my sister, behind the camera. I love being a pack girl.
Yes, it's
Do
very
you love
good.
being a pack girl?
Yes, no, I'm not a pack girl. I'm
You're not a pack girl. What are you? You're a
What
garbage
you call
girl.
this? What you call?
You're a trash girl.
Oh my.
You're
Oh my.
trash.
Sige na, dali na diha, day.
Yeah, just. Are we have a deadline?
Ang dami sa giyatay.
We don't, right? Agree?
What are you doing there? What are you doing?
Put here.
You
Put here.
pick up the garbage. That's not a garbage.
Huy, day. Huy, garbage ang yan na dira, day.
I told you that. Nah,
Where's the garbage?
it's there.
Pamanita ang mga garbage nga feel ni mo garbage.
Where is he?
Where is he?
This is the stock room that I was telling you during my room tour. This is a small room where I put all my
Stock.
my stocks. My shoes, the unused clothes, what's the English of the dirty clothes?
Yeah. The
The what?
The everything that is not used, that is not actively used by us.
Actively!
that's the correct word.
Right,
Where?
diba?
Therefore, it's inactive.
Yes, inactive
Yes,
clothes.
like the booking.
The inactive. the booking is active right now.
Yeah, I said also.
And so this pink, there's a lot of people out there who ask me about my refrigerator, why it's pink. It's pink because I like it girly and I like the touch of pink in my kitchen. So I chose a pink refrigerator. That's it.
A few moments later.
Hey guys! So nandito yung mga friends ko from EB.
Hi!
Ayan si Callie, si
Hey!
Jamie, at saka si Bebe Bianca. Ayan,
Hey,
kasama yung mga kalat namin kasi mag-move out na ako
Yes.
bukas.
Pero
Pero, interlude muna.
Mag-move out.
Mag-ano kami, magtatala, cover, o diba? Magpapahuli ba naman kami? Syempre, hindi. So, ayan. Tignan nyo yung kami, magpa-practice kami, guys.
next day.
Day, how are you there?
Oh my God, my boobs. Oh, shit.
Oh no! No, it wasn't shown.
Because there's no boobs also. It's okay, it's okay.
But how are you? How's the preparation over there?
The preparation is so very tiring. Right? Am I right?
Yes, that's right.
How about you? What do
Like-
you think about the boxes?
I'm having headache, Day.
Already headache?
I don't know where to place the things.
What things?
The other things, but look, it's very crowded. Is it
Where?
right? It's just-
Yeah, that's very right.
I took off the curtains already and I'm about to take this off. Yes, here. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. You know what, guys? I'm actually really ayun, that's the view of my window. Oh, there I am. I am very emotional. Because of my decision, I have to leave this place. Here are the remaining of my clothes. And there, it's already empty. I will leave some clothes because some clothes are not useful anymore. And this is the stock room that's very messy. Yes, and I will be leaving some bags also because I won't be needing them. And I have a whole box that I want to donate. Whoever needs clothes, or if you know some people who needs clothes, just comment down below so I know where to send them. Thank you. The house looks very empty. Girl. Guys, I honestly don't know how to feel right now, especially when I see my room really empty and the house is so cluttered. Right? Are you tired, Steffi?
Yeah. Super.
I'm tired of speaking in English.
Do English because that's our duty.
Aya Eman is also helping out. Hi, Aya. His flight is tonight.
Ha?
I mean later at 2 a.m.
Going back to Cebu na.
Sana all. Sana all. That's English
all we can say.
accent.
That's all.
American
No.
accent. You speak in English in the vlog because this is a 24-hour speak in English challenge.
So do you have a ticket already?
I no without the accent.
Without the accent, that's so very smooth.
Why is there an accent?
Very smooth.
So there, guys. Kuyas are starting to carry the heavy stuff
The stuffs.
downstairs. So yes, so wish us
The
luck,
stuffings.
okay? So there's the floor is very dirty. Please come out, Pak. Hello, guys. Ayan.
So, pardon the face because I'm very lazy to fix my test. So here we are. We're almost the finish anymore. Say hi, Kuya Eman.
Ay. Medyo dami kong iniisip. Now I'm thinking there's so many things in my head right now.
Oh.
You
Why?
want to ask me?
Yes, I want to know. Can I know?
There's so many things going on in my head.
What's the knowledge you share to us?
Like I don't know where to start or what to think first and what to solve first.
Oh,
Yeah.
Is that math?
No,
It's not
I'm
math.
I'm done with school and math and stuff like that.
Yes,
My
it's very
problems are
genius.
adulting problems.
Yes, correct. What can you say about what she said and told to you?
Oh, adulting. I'm also an adult.
That's all. Thank
sorry.
you.
So there you go, guys. My room is empty. Bare na talaga. Talagang wala nang laman. Bye-bye. I'm gonna miss you. Tsaka medyo nag-e-echo na siya.
Grabe.
Dadalhin ko yung mga plants ko. Ayan. Dadalhin ko yung lahat, babe. Empty.
Hi, say hi po pa. Wala sauce, Mike.
We done. Dili, okay na siya. Bye-bye. Bye, old partner. Ate. Asan si ate? So, magbababay din ako sa kasundo kong fellow tenant dito sa building. Bye, ate! Vlog ko to. Bye-bye! Wala si Ethan?
A few moments later.
Bye! Bye, kuya! Ayun na si Makuya, yung truck namin tunina. Ang babait po nila. Thank you so much. Hi guys! So ayan, nandito na kami sa bagong apartment namin dito sa Quezon City, Tandang Sora. Ayan, so sobrang gulo pa. At kung napapansin nyo, we're not speaking in English anymore because it's
tiring.
Di, pakita talaga natin sa kanila anong oras na. Diba 24 hours lang yun? Ayan, 8:21 p.m. So around 7:12 ata yung kahapon day, diba?
Yes.
And sobrang gulo pa. So, unahin muna namin yung room, linisin. Imamap muna namin to. Kasi yung sister ko. Tapos, ayan, mag-house tour na lang ako. Maybe one of these days, guys. So, yan, yung second room, sobrang gulo talaga. Diba, girl?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Where's the side?
So, that's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Moving out, vlog namin is Steffi Jardin. Thank you so much for guesting. See you again in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!